Hi guys, it's Stas here from Epic77, and today I'm going to teach you how to run through the walls in the Animal Jam Holiday Maze. So, how you are going to get through? See how some people want to hop. If you want to help them and you can't get through, you just see the people who are saying you need to hop. You go the direction they are in, and then you press the arrow key you want, so the top arrow key, and then you do right click, and you should be able to run through the walls. So that's really easy to do, especially if both ways are blocked and you're trapped. You can easily get through, so you can just go through. It's not working. Right click, right click. Okay. So it doesn't always work, but it can really help people when they say, I need help to hop. But you don't really need to help hop because you can run through the walls. They might need help. Ah! But you need to go absolutely all the way. Oh, you can't go that way. There we go. Doesn't let you. Look at me! Oh yes, I'm already in the middle. So this is what it looks like when you get to the middle of the maze. You can just easily go. And no, you don't want to. I just went to the middle, and then I didn't even accept the gift, and I went through the portal. You gotta be careful when you do that, because the maze might be really glitchy after you right click. So be really careful. Another way to do it is well, I watched a video. I just found out myself accidentally. So I was pressing the arrow key. I accidentally clicked right click, and then I went through. I watched one of Liberty's videos, and she said, why is this taking so long? And she said that if, I'm not sure this one works, I haven't tried it out yet, but if you go, like, up, and then you go, oh my god, I think I can just run through the walls like by myself, but you are supposed to, like, oh my god, I'm stuck in here. Okay. Up. Okay. Okay, so now it's just letting me go through the walls. Okay. Is there any way out of here? Okay. So yeah, that's how to go through the walls on Animal Jam in the new Jamala game to get to the middle really easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to to watch all my videos. It's free.